but my tongue can't.
Everyone thinks you need expensive DJ gear to mix like a pro. But what if I told you I made this entire mix using only my laptop?
See the way she moves, like water flows so smooth. My heart they beat fast, this feeling go last. She know say I dey watch 'em, from corner I dey stand. But tonight I go tell 'em everything where they my mind. Wait, my head don't scatter. Wait, this love matter. Oh, party don't start for my heart. Baby, you be my superstar.
Yo, welcome to Slab with Luca, where DJ skills get real simple. Welcome back to Mix Lab with Luca, where I make DJ skills simple. In this video, I'm showing you how to make your first DJ mix with just your computer and virtual DJ. No controller, no problem. Step 1. Drag in your favorite 2 songs. You'll see the BPM right here. That's your beat speed. Try to pick songs within 5 beats per minute for smoother transitions. Here's the magic part. You can do everything with your keyboard and mouse. Watch this. Press. To make it sound professional, use Virtual DJ's built-in effects. Add an echo, filter, or reverb right when you switch songs. It smooths your mix instantly.
Try pull up, but they never did try. Me nah lie, you bring the fire, make them eyes ignite. Watch how you move, living over there, confident, hold pure glory. Don't run down the step on the floor, make them worried. Hold up, tremble when you come too surely. Laugh, make the trouble start. Don't run me not easy, not too cheeky. Laugh till the week, make you freaky. She said me full of chat, but my tongue can't done. The drop be a joke till the sun gone. You roll your eye, me take that as win. Me a tease, me not back down, kin. Jamaica, me, Africa, respect the rhythm. But what Afrobeat, you have to feel the system. Dash one move, pan the beat, me I make you blush. Light up the crowd, me not lie. Make the whole place rock, every time me slide. Shell and get the flex, but I see through the show. All the real time, you get to the vibe, you know. Inna the center, you glow, don't need no hype. Them try pull up, but they never did try. Me not lie, you bring the fire, make them eyes ignite. Watch how you move. Confident, hold your glory.
Hold it up,
Hold up, tremble when you come too short.
I beg two. Yes.
And that's it. You just made your first DJ mix. No gear, no problem. If this helped you, hit that like button, drop a fire emoji in the comments, and subscribe for more virtual DJ tricks right here on MixLab with Luca. DJ skills made simple.